Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox lagging on Android. Now you don't need to open up Roblox immediately. First and foremost, go ahead and locate your settings. Once you locate your settings, look for app management. Then when you look for app management, tap on app list. Then once you tap on app list, you then wait for it to finish up loading. Then once it finishes uploading, we shall go ahead and look for Roblox among the list. So it is finished loading. Come to the search bar. Then in the search bar, search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, tap on it. Then tap on the storage and cache. Go ahead and clear the cache. After that, clear the storage. Now as you do that, your Roblox will stop lagging and it will be opening up and running smoothly on your Android. Thanks for watching.